All right, I guess the Motilal Oswal press conference on the back of the quarterly earnings is underway right now. Let's head across and listen in.
So, broader trends in the market is, what is happening is still industry has good volume, but cash segment is still losing the momentum, and that's the bread and butter of this industry. And retail segment is even worse in terms of loss of share in the overall loss of retail cash volume share in the entire market volumes. So that's bringing more pressure onto the revenues. So cost line is kind of very tight, and we are still trying to invest into the business, and we are recruiting people, and we have taken on to net addition of about 60-70 people in this year, and we still have hope that in next 12 months or so the industry turns around, economy turns around, and we will again have growth coming back to the company's bottom lines.
So किस तरीके से आप देख रहे हैं कि काफी सारा सेंसेक्स एक और नए हाई की ओर है, दूसरी ओर जो रिटेल पार्टिसिपेशन है वो कम होता जा रहा है, और ब्रोकरेज हाउसेस को काफी मार्जिन पे प्रेशर है और काफी डिफिकल्टी आ रही है मेंटेन करने में बिजनेस को.
I think this is a cyclical business which you don't have very clear outlook in terms of when it will grow and when it will not. But industry is also passing through a rapid growth as well as rapid change in the market share of the various types of businesses. Like industry has grown at 27% compounded in last 5 years. In 2008-9, the annual daily turnover used to be about 62,000 crores. Now it is upwards of 2 lakh crores. So industry has grown per se. The importance of the entire stock market fraternity or the market per se has grown over a period of time. What has happened is that cash volume has actually come down by 20-30%. What used to be say 15,000-16,000 crores per day, what used to be about
the cash volume used to be about 16,000-17,000 crores.
That has come down
13,000 crores.
And whereas the overall market has grown at 27%. So you can imagine the cash volume has come by almost 30% compounded per year to the total size. So I think this is a very cyclical thing, and part of it is definitely cyclical. And as the economy turns around, as the markets turn around, I'm sure this ratio, which has the cash volume ratio of at the peak, which was 25%, has come down to 6%, and global average is about 16-17%. So we are well below we have undershot big time. Some government actions are also required to restore cash volumes, but I think we have overdone in terms of correction at 6% to the overall volume. We think that in next 3-4 years, the industry volume will grow to say maybe 4 lakh crores per day, and the cash volume, which is about 15,000 crores now, could go 3-4 times. So that's the potential of this industry.
What kind of measures brokerage houses are taking to boost investor sentiment and retail participation?
Yeah, so at our end, since we have a very strong retail presence, what we are doing is we are trying to build the distribution, and we are trying to reach more and more investors, and trying to recommend stocks which are, the whole research focus is on to buying value, buying high quality, and seeing to it that investors don't lose by bringing home the shares of high quality companies. That's been the effort, and we know that participation is very weak. Investor withdrawal is almost 100%, almost total, I would say. I mean, it's very sad, but the investor appetite for equities as an asset class is very poor right now. And even from the mutual funds in last 7-8 quarters, they have withdrawn upwards of 25,000 crores. 25,000 crores from the market. So clearly, investor sentiment in equities is very poor. I mean, it's one cannot predict, but it looks that for last 4-5 years, enough time has passed, and maybe some more time, maybe 6 months, 1 year more. But whenever it comes, we have seen it is much bigger than the last time.
So if we talk about industry, what kind of challenges are there to manage or run retail business?
I mean, the biggest challenge is the client. I mean, getting the customers and making the customers understand that if you want equity returns, you have to be in equity asset class. I mean, you cannot keep timing the market forever. So there is some point of time when you must come into the market, but they come in when the markets start moving, or maybe after 1 or 2 years of stabilized return, then they start flocking into the market. So it has been happening in last 30-40 years, and it will happen this time also.
So the Rajiv Gandhi equity scheme, it has also, it seems that it has failed due to lack of awareness or something. How do you see? Do you see this can be revived? The scheme can be revived?
Yeah, anything. I mean, if you try to understand why it has failed, and if you take suggestions from the right kind of people who understand the difficulties of the schemes, clearly these initiatives are well intentioned, but not well designed, I would say. So clearly, if appropriate changes are made, retail participation will increase.
In press release we saw NACL exposure is 5.57 crores around.
Yeah.
Motilal Oswal Group. So what about this MOFSL? This exposure is for group or MOFSL?
No, this is for the consolidated entity. So at a consolidated level on the balance sheet, we had proprietary exposure of about 57 crores, of which we had provided about 19 crores for this quarter.
That was the Motilal Oswal management with Ramdev Agarwal there really addressing the media after the second quarter earnings. The stock's down almost 2% in trade today, almost 3% in trade today, and clearly the fact that there is very muted demand from the investors and especially retail investors seems to be really affecting brokerage business across the board. But let's get back to the FMCG stocks that we were talking about. Now, Hindustan Unilever stock might have rallied 85% in the past 2 years, but that hasn't really stopped it from being the lowest rated stock by analysts. Now, among the world's biggest companies of market value of above $15 billion, and there are 700 of